Welcome to this rare opportunity for an exceptional custom Northwest Craftsman home on 5 acres. It's ideally situated in a tranquil yet close-in Sherwood location. A gated entry invites you to this private estate, one that combines rustic charm with the high-end opulence of modern luxury. Originally constructed by the builder for his own family, no detail is overlooked. Head inside and discover an expertly crafted interior. While this home is the pinnacle of luxury, the styling and architecture create a subtle and unique warmth throughout. The gourmet kitchen has every amenity for the chef in the family, including an impressive island, beautiful cabinetry, a wolf cooktop, and an expansive pantry. Enjoy year-round entertaining on the covered eating area with a gas fireplace and built-in grill. The vaulted bonus room is ready to become a favorite place for family and friends, complete with a fireplace and a wet bar. It opens to the indoor theater with 2-level seating. The spacious main-level office is well appointed with extensive cabinetry and built-in workstations. It's a flexible floor plan with 2 master suites, including one on the main level. On the upper level, double doors open to this large master suite with a double-sided fireplace. Unwind and relax in the spa-inspired master bath. This home of nearly 7,700 square feet has generous living spaces, including 7 bedrooms, 4 full baths, and 2 half baths. On the lower level, you'll find a fully finished basement, which could easily be used for live-in caretakers. The impeccably landscaped grounds include an expansive shop, a fully fenced swimming pool, and a hot tub. Enjoy the serene walkways and recreation area, as well as additional acreage that is as open as your imagination. An incredible quality-built home in a perfectly serene setting. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour or for more information, please contact Jeff Wiren with Premier Property Group at 503-869-3513.